Lifting and tilting device. The bowl lifter has a simple function of lifting and discharging bowls. You can customize the bowl lifter's height to lift and discharge bowls as per the customer's requirement. In addition to the height adjustment, the bowl also can be tilted towards the left or right as per the client's requirement. The hopper is made of stainless steel. It is designed like an inverted pyramid with rounded edges. This facilitates smooth dough flow into the hopper of the dough divider and enables easy cleaning as well.